Yes, Ashish, go ahead. You are perfectly audible to every other person. So, Ashish, how has been your story? How has been your journey? And what did you achieve? And like, what was the exact process, what you had in your journey after joining Massive Hike community?
Yes. Hi, Saurabh. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity.
Wow.
And I was trying for this opportunity last 1 year, but
Mm-hmm.
due to my notice period, I'm not able to crack the interview.
Okay.
So, as you guided me,
Mm-hmm.
as I discussed with you, and you told me, uh, just first of all you have to grab first opportunity, then
Mm-hmm.
convince them,
Correct.
never, because my notice period is 90 days. So
True.
this is the my pain point, because nobody is ready to hire me.
Correct.
So as you guided me, first of all, we have to introduce like a notice, not 90 days notice period. You
Correct.
said I have to introduce notice period as 45 to 60 days. So
Yes.
as you suggested, it's worked very well. So
Mm-hmm.
in every interview, first of all they always ask what's your notice period. So
Correct.
as you suggested, 45 or 60 days, I said same thing. Then uh, they are ready to for shortlisting my profile, and
Mm-hmm.
they process it, and I got the chance for interview. So after two
Amazing.
or three interview, one of the
Mhm.
I cracked the two interviews right now,
Correct.
and
Mhm.
my current package was is 11.37, and
Okay.
now I got the 35% hike, and one package is I got 16 and another is 17.
Wow, that is superbly amazing. So, okay, so what is Ashish? What is the very first package, or what is the very first offer letter what you got, and then you started multiplying, and then you started going ahead for more opportunities?
Yeah, my first package was 16, and this is very good company. This is a US based MNC, and
Okay.
it is top 5 real estate company of United States.
Wow. Okay. Okay,
And
that was the first opportunity,
uh,
and then. Mm-hmm.
and I was hired as a senior full stack engineer, and
Okay.
I directly reporting to the Mr. Alan Jacob, who took my interview, and
Wow.
they are very impressed with my full stack skills.
Correct. Okay, so that is superbly amazing, and a lot of people are congratulating you over the chat, and you might be able to see a lot of messages as well. So that is supremely powerful. And my one more question to
Thanks.
you is that a lot of people have this thing on top of the mind, Ashi, that once we have more package, once we have like 8 lakhs of package or 10 lakhs of package or 11 lakhs of package, like it was there in your case, you were having on 11.37. Okay, so people say that when you are on already working on a high package, it gets very tough to get opportunities, and you cannot go ahead and you cannot succeed and you cannot cross the level of 15 or max to max 14. What is your take on this thing?
Uh, First of all, you have to believe yourself,
Yes.
because if you are not believing on yourself, then it is not possible.
Absolutely.
So never give up, and just try to crack every interview. I mean, just prepare. If just prepare, you will crack the interview. This is
Absolutely.
not going in first time. Not going to in first time means you will crack the interview. Just go ahead with the flow. Just deliver the interview as much as you can.
Yes, I strongly agree with your point because we should have that mindset, we should have that mentality that we are going ahead to practice ourselves. We are going ahead to grab more opportunities. We are going ahead to get ourselves like into that zone and get ourselves doing a lot of practice and making ourselves habitual of that environment. Because a lot of people have this problem that we are failing on one interview, we are failing in two interviews, and then they stop their process. So that is the most important thing
And this
what we have to go ahead with. Yes, go ahead.
and I, as you said last time, this pandemic is I consider as a opportunity, because
Yes,
we have to we have to get more opportunity for the interview, because we have to not go anywhere for the physical interview discussion.
absolutely. Yes,
We
because
have
that, yes,
to
you
deliver the
mentioned,
interview from work
yes.
from home.
Yes, you mentioned a very important point when we had a discussion. I
Yeah,
told you that that is your positive side, that we don't have to go anywhere for the interviews. You can simply sit at your home and you can schedule multiple interviews. Yes, absolutely. Yes. So that is how we
yes,
can work. And Ashish, what is your next target? And what is your joining date? Before your joining date, you have to at least touch 20 lakhs. How you are thinking about that?
yes. My next target is 21 or 20.
Mm-hmm. Wow,
So,
amazing.
so my one of the interview is going to be scheduled with the Citrix
Okay.
in upcoming days.
Mm-hmm.
So just I'm preparing my CV as per client request.
Mm-hmm.
So right now I'm before this meeting I was preparing my CV, and still not prepared. Just consultancy told me this things you have to write in your CV.
Mm,
So
correct.
I'm preparing on it, and
Amazing.
let's see what happens.
Yes, absolutely. We all believe that you are going to make it big and you are going to touch your target of 2021 lakh rupees. We all are there for your well wishes, and the entire Massive community is there with you to support you, guide you, and
Yes,
to
yes,
make the
sir.
process smooth for you. It is really amazing to connect with you, Ashish,
Yes,
and it is superbly amazing to have people like you inside the community who are committed for their actions and who are bringing about those results. Thank you so much and wish you great luck.
yes. My
All right.
one message is for everyone is
Mhm.
just consider this pandemic as a opportunity. This is
Yeah,
very good time to switch.
correct. Absolutely. Wow. Thank you so much, Ashish, for sharing your wonderful message as well as sharing your results with the entire community. And I am 200% sure that your quick 2 minute, 5 minutes of message is going to push a lot of people and going to inspire a lot of lives. Amazing. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks, Saurabh.